Hey my dolls, I am back with another hair video. In today's video, we are working with Xrsbeauty and I am so excited to be trying out their clear lace wig. No other hair company has this clear lace, guys. It is only Xrsbeauty and I am obsessed. Now, to get into the details of this closure, I'm just doing a sample of the lace that is on the wig. I've sprayed my got2b glue just to show you guys how clear and transparent this lace is, guys. It's giving natural, it's giving this hair is growing from my scalp, darling. I love it. So let's get started. Please ignore how messed up this box is looking. It traveled a very long way. So this is what came inside the box. So we've got the main girl, which is the wig. We've got a white tooth comb. We've got a wig cap. We've got an edge brush. We also have a band to tighten your wig that you insert inside. And then we have some hair rollers. So this is how the wig looks inside. We've got 3 combs on each side, on both sides and at the bottom of the wig. We also have this band that you insert. This is how you insert the band to make sure that your wig is nice and tight and snug. So this is an 18-inch straight human hair wig. It comes pre-plucked and pre-bleached. It has 200% density and I absolutely love the length. It is perfect for every occasion. So let's get to installing this beautiful unit. This clear lace is absolutely stunning. I think this is Xrsbeauty's signature because I have never heard of clear lace before. So this is the final look, you guys. How stunning. I am obsessed. The clear lace is definitely lacing. It's giving clean, it's giving natural, beautiful, absolutely stunning. I will leave all the details of this hair in the description box as per usual. Please do check it out, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.